Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. So BODMAS says first B stand for brackets, then orders means powers and roots, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the solution. We'll break it on this expression by the step-by-step solution. Step 1, simplify the numerator part. We start from the innermost brackets and work our way out. So first inner parenthesis which is 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So in this case, according to the BODMAS, we must solve the smallest bracket first. So now the expression of the numerator becomes 5 plus square bracket 4 multiply curly braces 3 power 3 minus 4 curly braces of and then square bracket of. Now in the step 2, orders exponent inside the curly braces, as you can see 3 power cube, so we'll solve 3 power cube equals to 27. So in this step 2, orders and powers come before subtraction, so the current numerator expression becomes 5 plus square bracket 4 multiply curly braces 27 minus 4. Now in step 3, subtraction inside the curly braces, so there will be a 27 minus 4. We solve 27 minus 4. After we'll get 23. So in step 3, we must complete the operation inside the curly braces to remove them. So the current numerator expression becomes 5 plus multiplication inside the square brackets. So first we do 4 multiply 23. After multiplying you will get 92. And in step 4, we solve the remaining operations within the square bracket. So the current equation numerator becomes expression 5 plus 92 and final we add the equations. So after adding we'll get 97. So the conclusion, the simplified numerator is 97. Now step 2, simplify the denominator. So the denominator part is 2, 4 minus square root 16 multiplied by 3. So in this step 1, we solve orders, powers and roots. So there is a 2 power 4 is equal to 16 and there is a square root 16 equals to 4. So in step 1, the reason is we prioritize the exponents and roots first. So the current denominator equation becomes 16 minus 4 multiplied by 3. Now the second step, multiplication. Multiplication must be performed before subtraction. So first we multiply 16 minus 12. Now this is the current equation. Subtraction is the last. Simplify to these values after we get 4. So 4 is the simplified denominator. Division. We combine the simplified numerator and denominator. So combine the numerator 97 and denominator. After cutting the values, we can get the values in decimal 24.25. 25 is the right answer. Conclusion of this expression, by systematically following the BODMAS hierarchy, we ensures that complex nested expressions are broken down into the manageable parts, leading to the accurate final answer. And the final result is 24.25. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the